Good morning, students. I am Mr. Parikshit Rana, your Sanskrit teacher. Welcome you to this YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss this unit number 3. The title of this unit is Swastha Vrittam Samachara, means do healthy behavior. Now, slok number 1. Look here, I am going to read this slok. बाल उत्तिष्ठ संयातः स्वस्थवृत्तं समाचर स्मर जगद्विधातारं ततः शुद्धं जलं पीब. First of all, we will understand the meaning of each and every word. The first word is bala. Bala means child. The next word is Uttishtha means wake up. Next word Sayyataha means from the bed. Swastha Vrittam means healthy behavior. Swastha means healthy and Vrittam means behavior. And Samachara means do. Now the next line Smara. Smara means remember. Next Jagat Vidhataram, creator of the world. Tataha means then. And next word is Suddham Jalam. Suddham Jalam means pure water. And Piba means drink. Now we have all the meanings of each and every words. We will make translation of by using these words. So first here, look here. Bala Uttishtha Sayyatah means, O child, wake up from the bed. O child, wake up from the bed. Swastha Vrittam Samachara means do healthy behavior. And then Smara Jagat Vidhataram, remember the creator of the world. Tataha means then. Suddham Jalam Piba, drink pure water. Once again I translate this. O child, wake up from the bed and do healthy behavior. Remember the creator of the world, then drink pure water. Now friends, look here. Some grammar points are there. Here this word sayyatah. सय्यातः, इसके पीछे आप सफिक्स देखोगे तो क्या है आतः. आत आत मीन्स फ्रॉम. इन इंग्लिश आत मीन्स फ्रॉम. इट मीन्स फ्रॉम द बेड. दिस इज अ पंचमी एक वचन विभक्ति. दिस वर्ड इज अ वर्ड ऑफ पंचमी एक वचन. व्हाई? बिकॉज आत सफिक्स इज देयर. इन इंग्लिश फ्रॉम and in Sanskrit at. For example, Vrukshat, it means from the tree. Balat means from the boy. Ramat means from the Ram. Okay. Now next slok number 2. I am going to read this slok. Satam padani niskrmya शौचार्थम गच्छ सत्वरम फेनिलेन करौ कृत्वा शुद्धौ व्यायाम आचर. Now the word meanings. The first word is satam padani. Satam means 100 and padani means steps. So 100 steps. The next word is niskramya. Niskramya. Niskramya means walking outside. You can write going outside also. Next word is sauchartha. Sauchartham, for cleansing. Gach means you know to go. Satwaram means quickly. And new word satwaram means quickly. Okay. Now new words fanny lane. Fanny lane means soap. Next word karau. Karau means hands. Next word vyayam achara. Achara means do, but vyayam means exercise. Means do exercise. Now the translation or explanation of this slok. Satam padani niskramya. Walking 100 steps outside. Once again I repeat. Walking 100 steps outside. Sauchartha gaccha satvaram. Go quickly for cleansing. And then next line. Fanny lane karo krutva. Fanny lane karo krutva suddho. Wash your hands with soap. And then vyayam achara means do exercise. Once again I repeat the translation. Walking 100 steps outside. Go quickly for cleansing. Wash your hands with soap and do exercise. Now some points of grammar. Niskramya. Niskramya is a participle. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो म्य लगा हुआ है, तो त्वा, त्य एंड य, ये तीन में से कोई भी एक सफिक्स आए तो समझना है कि इट इज अ संबंधक भूतकृदंत. तो वो म्य भी हो सकता है, प्य हो सकता है, भ्य हो सकता है. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस सफिक्स इज त्वा, त्य एंड य. इट मीन्स इट इज अ संबंधक भूतकृदंत. Next word is a sauchartham. It is a compound samas. If I disjoin this word sauchaya artham, यहाँ पर शौचाय में I वर्ड आया पीछे. I means for. In English I means for, and शौचाय plus artham means for cleansing. It means it is a word of चतुर्थी एकवचन. जब भी आपको संस्कृत में आई वर्ड दिखाई दे, इट मीन्स इट इज अ डेटिव केस, चतुर्थी विभक्ति. रामाय फॉर राम, बालाय फॉर बॉय. उसी तरह यहाँ पर क्या है, शौचाय, तो शौचाय मीन्स फॉर क्लींजिंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट लाइन में एक वर्ड है फैनी लेन. तो फैनी लह मीन्स सोप, बट फैनी लेन मीन्स बाय सोप, विथ सोप. तो जहां पर बाय और विथ यूज होता है, इट मीन्स इट इज अ इंस्ट्रूमेंटल सिंगुलर तृतीया एक वचन. अगर मैंने राम वर्ड ले लिया तो राम का रामेण मीन्स बाय राम, विथ राम. बालेन बाय बॉय, विथ बॉय. इसी तरह यहां पर है फैनी लेन मीन्स विथ सोप, या तो बाय सोप. इसके बाद है करौ. करह मीन्स हैंड, बट ये ड्यूअल है. करौ मीन्स हैंड्स. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट श्लोक. श्लोक नंबर 3. तैलम मर्दय काये त्वं ततः स्नानं समाचर यथाविधि जलेनैव वस्त्रं स्वीयं प्रधावय. Now the meanings. The first word is tailam. Tailam means oil. The next word is mardaya, means massage. The next word kaya. Kaya means on the body. Next यथाविधि, as per the right, या तो फिर according to right, according to method, ऐसा भी आप लिख सकते हो. The next one is swiyam. Swiyam means own, O-W-N, own. The next word pradhavaya. Pradhavaya means you clean properly. So these are the meanings of each and every words. Now the translation. Tailam mardaya kaye. Massage your body with oil. Massage on your body with oil. ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं. त्वम ततः स्नानम समाचर. Then स्नानम समाचर. Do bath, या तो फिर takes bath. You take bath. So massage your body with oil and then you take bath. यथा विधि जलेनेव वस्त्रम स्वीयम प्रधावय. So wash your own clothes properly according to method. जैसे हमें कपड़े धोने की जो मेथड बताई है उसी तरह, ऐसे ही नहीं. So clean, या तो wash your own clothes properly with method. Okay. So thank you very much students for listening this video, and remaining verses we will discuss next time. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.